all I want is to spend.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel for another Decorate With Me video. Today I'm going to decorate our kitchen for Christmas. I have some really fun ideas along with some DIYs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you enjoy content like this as well as makeovers. Thanks for watching and let's get into it.
In my little prison shop.
First, I'm gonna be working in the cocoa bar and I'm gonna put it in this corner because I feel like it's not gonna take a lot of space. So I'm just gonna clear everything out and then I'm gonna clean it with the Mrs. Meyer's seasonal cleaner. I love this thing. Then I'm gonna use this stand that I made using a plate from the Dollar Tree. I just glued everything together and then I spray painted it on the top and on the bottom, and this is gonna be what I'm gonna use.
And maybe so did you, that everything would change.
I'm also gonna use this sign. I made it with a piece of wood that I had here in the house and I just painted it with some apple barrel white paint, and then I used some stickers that I had from the Dollar Tree, and I also painted the edges black, but you can also make it in red and I think it would look really nice like that. I just didn't have the stickers. I'm also gonna use these little stands that I made for my DIY video for Christmas. The jars that I'm using were actually applesauce jars and they had something on the lid, so I just used a little bit of acrylic paint and that's how I got to use them. I'm gonna be using this cocoa that I got from Target and also this gingerbread man. The sticks and the spoons I got from Home Goods. They were very affordable and they taste amazing. I'm also gonna be using these little candy canes that I got from Dollar Tree. I thought they were really cute because they are super small. I'm gonna be making a little bow with this thread that I got from Home Goods. I feel like this is a way on how you can give your containers a little touch. You can also use a thicker ribbon, but I just feel like this one is really cute and simple, so that's why I like it.
Sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me.
Now I'm gonna be using these little signs that I made for my Christmas video. I'm also gonna be using this truck that I got from Target. And I'm also gonna use these lights that I got from the Target dollar spot. They have like a little Christmas tree inside of them. It's really, really nice. Then I'm gonna use this greenery that I got from Amazon and I'm just gonna break it apart and I'm gonna put it on the bottom to cover it up.
When they see you holding me so near.
And then I just kept on adding little things that I had. These things are from the Dollar Tree, the little berries and the little brush tree.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go.
And I also added a couple of twinkle lights and this is what it looks like so far.
And hang out on the beach without free.
Something else that I did is that I swapped the container for my dishwasher soap because it was black and I just felt like it wasn't going with the vibe, so I chose this one that I had here in the house. And then I'm just gonna be working in the sink and I'm just gonna do something simple. I'm gonna swap the soap and I'm gonna put a couple of little decorations in here. The little brush trees I got from Walmart, and then the soap I got from Target, and the little stand I made. I also swapped the little sponge holder, and this one I got from Home Goods. It came with some hand soap. And then I also got this kitchen towel from Home Goods. I'm gonna be using this little garland that I got from Target, and I think that it was like $10. It was really affordable, and I like that it's really thin. I'm gonna use these oranges that I made, and you basically just wanna cut them very thin, and then you put them on the oven at 200 for 2 hours.
He wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh.
I also added this little gnome that I got from Target, and I made these little gingerbread houses using cardboard, and I just put it behind the garland because I felt like it was gonna make it look a little cute. I got this little wreath from Target. It was $10 and I just decided to put it above our window to make a little detail in there. And I also added this candle that I got from Target and it smells really, really good. It smells like apple cider, super sweet. I'm going to be adding plastic bags inside of these bases because it helps the leaves to stay up, and then I'm gonna be filling them up with some greenery that I got from Amazon. I also added some red berries that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just wanted a pop of color, but I didn't want it to be too crazy.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now.
Now I'm gonna be working on the countertop and I'm just gonna clean it up real quick, and then I'm gonna be setting up a tray. I decided to go with a tray because I feel like it's way easier to move. I was a little bit indecisive when it came to choosing one of the bases, so I just tried both of them until I settled on one. Then I started to fill it in, so I just used these huge bowls that I got from Walmart. They were like $8 and I feel like they look really nice in there. I also added this garland that I also got from Walmart. It's really long, but I just felt like I wanted to have a little pop of color and just like something that would look playful, so this is why I decided to add this one in here. And I also added this deer that I got from Target, and I thought this was gonna be a little smaller, but it turned out to be pretty big. I moved all the balls to one side because I wanted to add a couple more things on the front, so I just kept on playing with it until I liked it. This little brush tree I got from Walmart. It came in a set of 16 pieces, all big and small. I just added a little frame that I made and a little ornament for the tree that I got from Walmart.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me.
Now I'm going to be working in the coffee bar and I'm just going to clean everything and then I'm gonna start decorating. I decided to put this coffee inside of a container and I moved everything else so I had space for my decorations.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this
Then I just added this frame that I made along with some bottle brush trees.
day.
Then on the top, I added a couple of different mugs and I tried to have the little Santa in there, but I wasn't feeling it. So I just swapped him for this little cheer frame that I got from Home Goods. I also used this little creamer container and I just put a couple of the same greeneries that I was using before along with the berries from the Dollar Tree. And then I got this really cute little snowman. I love this little thing. So I just put it up there because I felt like it looked funny there. Then I decided to add a couple of twinkle lights and I got these ones from Walmart. They were like $4 and they come in different colors like silver, green, and also gold. The ones that I have are gold.
That I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for.
The last thing that I added was this little LED tree that I got from Dollar Tree last year. I just feel like it brings a little bit of color on the bottom. And this frame that is down there too, I got from Target. And this is what the bar looks like after I was done.
Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate.
So these were all the things that I had to show you guys. I'm gonna be sharing the rest of the house in these coming days. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and that you found some ideas that you like. Let me know in the comments which part is your favorite. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
So beautiful.